The world is constantly changing and evolving as expected. However, anthropogenic effects such as climate change are rearranging the dynamics very quickly. This is mostly because the Earth is warming due to the burning of fossil fuels that cause greenhouse gases to escape into the Earth's atmosphere. While climate change is inevitable, it is a concern now more than ever because of the rates at which changes are occurring. Most plants and animals are adapted to sustain themselves in versatile climatic conditions. However, recently and in the future, climate change is introducing a whole new spectrum on how species live and interact. But what exactly are the species' responses to this global phenomenon? A very prevalent response is migration to new ecosystems. Whether on their accord or through human assistance, research has shown that some species are adapting and thriving in new environmental conditions. In fact, many have benefited and are expected to flourish under climate change. From expanding species territories poleward to flourishing invasive species, global warming has predicted how misleading climate change is in response to biotic factors. With rapid increase in temperatures, changes in diet and lifestyle for species are imperative. Models show that species are expected to move poleward or to higher altitudes in order to find conditions suitable for survival. In a study by Nicholas et al., it was found that a number of fish species connected to estuaries move northward due to the warming water. While species shifts have always occurred in the face of historic climatic changes, the alarm is that species are moving faster than expected. However, this is only a small fraction of the problem because the dynamics of species movement presents a number of challenges. For instance, species that have already been moved to new ecosystems by humans pose a threat, as seen in Macaulay et al., where new species, the coconut plant Cocos nucifera, was introduced to the Palomera atoll forest ecosystem, and the total nutrient content in the soil declined. The impact of these invasive species with climate change factor in is astonishing as it leads to ecological changes or shifts. For example, the yellow-legged hornet, Vespa velatuna, is native to Central and Eastern Asia, but was introduced in France in 2004. However, it had spread out almost over 200,000 square kilometers. This has a direct impact on human populations, specifically beekeepers and crop growers. These hornets hunt honeybees and other important pollinators extensively during the reproductive season to provide high-protein food for their larvae. Honeybees now can only pollinate 30% of the crops in the UK, as opposed to 70% they could 25 years ago. If the yellow-legged hornet continues to spread west into the UK, what's going to happen to the honeybees and then the crops? In conclusion, unpredictable interactions are occurring among species as a result of climate change. Whether these interactions are results of species movement on their own or have been integrated into new ecosystem by humans, it is clear that this is going to have great ecological effects in the future.